Residents, businesses, and visitors expect quick, accurate answers from their city anytime, from any device. Civic Guide provides a government AI assistant that helps the public get information in seconds. Responses are grounded in official city content and include direct links to the right resources. For authenticated users, the assistant can help generate required documents, reducing friction and saving staff time. As people move across the website, the conversation continues, no restarting and no repeating information. Community members can interact in their preferred language, improving access and equity. The assistant is transparent, showing AI disclosure, confidence levels, and allowing feedback. Behind every great public experience is visibility and control. Leadership can instantly see measurable performance. Insights reveal which departments are impacted most. Trends and response quality are continuously monitored. The platform identifies new opportunities for automation based on real community needs. Knowledge can be refreshed directly from trusted city sources to keep answers current. Reports can be generated for leadership, council, or auditors at any time. Staff remain fully in control, with the ability to pause or redirect the assistant instantly. Civic Guide helps governments deliver faster service, reduce workload, and build trust with the communities they serve.